You're welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you the right way to set up Meta Business Manager. Formerly, this was known as Facebook Business Manager, right? Facebook Business Manager is like one central hub where everything in your Facebook portfolio is contained. Your ad account, your pixels, your Facebook page, your everything is contained in Meta Business Manager. Without further ado, we just jump straight into creating Meta Business Manager. First, if you are watching this video from YouTube, kindly subscribe to my channel, as you are going to see a lot of videos on this Facebook ad, everything about Facebook ad, Google ad, YouTube ad, everything. Please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up so that Facebook will show it to more people, so that YouTube will show it to more people. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to come to your browser and type in business.facebook.com/overview. business.facebook.com/overview then you enter. Now you are going to see a page like this where you are going to be asked to create. Then you see create an account. Note, before you even start creating Meta Business Manager, you must be sure to have logged in your Facebook or the particular Facebook you want to use to create this business manager in this particular computer. You must have logged in on the computer. So we'll click on create. Now if you create, by default your name is going to appear. Then they'll ask you to name your Facebook business, the Meta Business Manager name. So here I'm going to name it as right, I'm going to name it as right. Okay, so I've named it Pada Ecom Business. All right, now this is the name. This name you can change it later. Okay, this you can change it later. Then your business email address, right? I'm going to put let me type my. Now if it happens that you have a corporate business email address like info@padadigitals.com, you can use it. Okay, but now this is my email address and I've imputed here. Then I'm going to go straight into the other processes that is left. Now the first thing you to submit. If you click on submit, right, it's loading. All right, you see Pada Ecom Business has been created. Confirm your email address, right? They have shown me the email address here to confirm it. Then I'll click on done and I will be taken to the business. Now I am in my Meta Business Suite. It has been created. Now let's look for it. I'm going to look for it right now. Let me go into business portfolios. Then I will look for it. Okay, you see it is here, Pada Ecom Business. All right, so right now the account has been created. So what should I do? What is the next thing that I should do after creating this Meta Business Manager? Right, the next thing is to click on this hamburger icon. If you click on this hamburger icon, it's going to take me to the points where I'm going to select the business settings. Usually here it used to be business settings, but now Facebook has changed it to settings. Then I'll click on these settings. All right, in the settings, I am right in the settings. As you can see, this is Pada Ecom Business. I am right there. Then the first thing is you see users, you see accounts, you see data sources, request access, brands, brand safety, and brand safety. Then we have integrations, billings, whatever they are all down. Okay, now let's click on these users. Inside these users, you see there are 3 options here: people, partners, and systems. Now in people, if you see people here, you see they are showing Muhammad Ilyas Pada, which is me, that I have full control of this business portfolio. This is called business portfolio. Now we are in the business portfolio. Now if I want to add people, I can click it, invite people, right? I'll input their email address. You see the sequence here. Then I'll assign a particular level of access. What particular level of access there I want to give them. Then the next thing is assign business. Let me just try something. Let me just try. I'm not going to proceed, but let me just try something. Okay. All right. Okay. Now I have written an email here, which is the first thing. If there are many people, I'm going to write as many emails as possible. Okay. Then I'll click on next. Then the next thing is assign business access. Now I have not created ad account or page in this business portfolio. Had it been I have created ad account or page in this business portfolio, I'll now decide to give them access to the ad account, right? If it's ad account, I'll cite the ad account name or the ID here. If it's Facebook or if it's page, I'm going to cite the page here. So I'll now give them what the assets. I'm assigning business assets that I'm going to give them access to. Then the next thing is I will review it and I will now confirm everything is done if I have after doing that. So that is for people, right? Yes, I want to close. Yeah. Then partners. If you have business partners or you are an agency that is running ad for others, or you want agencies to run ad for you, then if you click on partners, you are going to see options here. You say Pada Ecom Business, say partner to share assets with, partner to request assets from. If you want to use partner to share assets with here, it means you are a business and you want to work with an agency that to run your ads. So you click on partner to share assets with here. Then if you click on it here, then they are going to request the partner business ID. You must have gotten the partner business ID. Then you click on next. It's usually next until you get everything set up. That is how to go about it. But if you are an advertising agency that want to request access to the assets of your client, you click on partner to request assets from. You click on this here. If you click on it, then they are going to ask you, they are going to say this is what you are going to be needed. They even give you instruction, ask a partner to share their business assets with you. Then you should be ready to get started. Your partner must have a business manager. Then you will need their account's business ID. You will need your contact names and email address. You will need all these things. These are the things you need to get ready before you now enter get assets. It's usually next and nothing more. Okay. Then there is systems. This is not usually something that you need to worry about. It is not something that is very important in business. Then the next thing is accounts. Okay, if you click on it, you see accounts. Now in accounts, now you see pages, you see other accounts, you see business assets. Just forget about and group. Business asset group, apps, just forget about it. The most important ones here are 2: these pages and other account. You see, if you click on pages, you are going to be here. If had it been there is any page here, you are going to see the name, it will appear here. But since there is no any page here, you can either click on this ad or you click on this ad down here. If I click on it here, I'm going to have 3 options. The first option is add an existing page. If this particular business manager or portfolio has a page already, an existing page, for instance, right? Let me search for an existing page. There is a herbal solution page that I created here. Let me search for it. Okay, let me just bring in this halal herbal solution. All right, now this is a page that I want to bring in here now, for instance. Then the next thing, I'll go to next, right? They are review people. These are people that have access to the page. I am also one of them. Then the next thing is request approval, right? Now you see, when I say request approval, they are now showing me this is my business portfolio. This is the page that I'm requesting access to. Then I'll click on agree to Meta terms of service, and if I click on it, claim page, I'll now claim the page, but I don't want to claim the page, right? That is when I want to add existing page. If I want to request access to a Facebook page, for instance, now somebody has, I want to run ad for somebody, I want to use his page to run ad for his business, then I'll now request access to the page, right? I'll input in page URL or the page name. I'll now choose the level of access, just like the other one, done, and I'll get access to it. Then the third option is to create a new page. If I want to create a new page inside this business portfolio, I will now click on create a new Facebook page, and now get it done. Then add account. The same situation, go for add accounts, which is the next one here. I'll click on add, create new ad account, claim an existing ad account, right? Request access to share an ad account. An existing ad account is like you should move this ad account into this business portfolio. Once claimed, you can't remove the ad account. You see, if I have an ad account that I have somewhere, for instance, maybe I open that ad account using another different Facebook business portfolio, I will now claim it and get it into this business asset. Basically the same thing, just like in pages. Now if you come to data sources, now in data sources you are going to find two important functions. Let me say three, but majorly two. The first is catalog, pixels, and data sets. There is also custom conversion. Yeah, this is important too, but pixel has been lifted. Facebook do not longer host pixel in this place. They have brought it now to data sets. This is where you see pixel now. You can create your pixel here. I have made another video on how to create a Facebook pixel in this page. You can check it out. Then there is catalog. In catalog, that is what is used by e-commerce and all the products. When you have different products to display, we use catalog, or they call it dynamic product ads, okay, which is DPA, right? Then there is custom conversion. If you also want to create custom conversion, like a specific part of conversion that will help you identify where the conversion is coming from, that is custom conversion. You can use this. Request access, this you don't really need it. Brand safety and suitability, I think they have changed it now to brand safety, but it used to brand safety and suitability. You can verify your domain here, right? If you want to verify your domain, you can also block lists, right? Block lists if there are particular businesses that you think that this business can cause problem for you, or that they used to bad comment on your Facebook ad, you can block them here. Okay, integrations, you don't need to worry about this. Then billings and payment, if you want to make payment to your ad account, whatever, you can use this particular platform. Then one important point or section that I will talk about right now is the security center. You need to go to security center, right? If you click on security center, you are going to see two-factor authentication. You see right now is none. Ads another admin. You are only admin, and another admin will help you if you are locked out of this account. It is very important. Sometimes you may be locked out of an account, but if you have another admin, it will help you. You will be able to log in through the admin, and you'll be able to get access to your assets. Okay, two-factor authentication. You should set up two-factor authentication. There is a video on this channel that show you how to set up two-factor authentications. Now, when you want to set up two-factor, make sure it is everyone, not just admins. Okay, then a verification of your business portfolio. You are ineligible for now, but as time goes on, you become eligible and you'll be able to verify your business portfolio. Now, this is the way to set up your Meta Business Manager account. Now, if you think you want us to do everything for you, we'll set up your Meta Business Manager for you, we'll create your ad and do everything for you from start to finish. Just contact us at padadigitals.com. You can go to this website, then fill in the required there is a service form there. You fill in and we'll receive it. Complete as much information as possible, then we'll get access to it and we'll reach out to you, or you can contact us on WhatsApp on this particular number or this number. But for now, focus on contacting us on WhatsApp via this number and tell us exactly how you want us to help your business, and we'll get you to where you want to go. So do enjoy your life, and see you some other time.